Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports here with Paul Gomez from National Cycle. Today we're looking at two products for the new Goldwing. One's going to be the Windshield here. We'll get to that in just a minute. And the other is a product that many of you guys have been asking for that they finally got out on the market. And that's going to be the National Cycle Paladin
Comfort Bars.
So these comfort bars down here act like a crash guard, if you will, and then they have a special bracket here that allows you to attach any aftermarket footbag to it. Tell us about the bars, Paul.
Yeah, the bars will mount to existing mounting points on the bike. There is one area of relief on this plastic cover here, as you can see, but other than that, we have them in two different versions. We have an E-coat black powder coat finish and an electro polished stainless steel version as well.
And this is going to fit all Goldwings 2018 to current. So if you've got a Goldwing and you're looking to put highway pegs on it and you want some crash guard protection as well, this bar from National Cycle is going to be the ticket. Now, let's move up to the windshield. So moving up to the windshield here, these Goldwings are great machines, but the factory windshield can leave a little bit to be desired. Now, what does the National Cycle Vstream Shield for this brand new Goldwing have to offer, Paul?
Well, basically what we've done is we've taken the mechanically patented Vstream design. We have conformed it and designed it to really flow with the design of the bike. We have three different heights that feature the Vstream technology, and again, that is where it's pushing the wind away from the rider, so you're getting comfort, optics, and just a great ride.
So another key factor is all of the National Cycle V-Streams are quantum coated. A hard coating that goes over the top that makes them nearly scratch proof. It's a pretty phenomenal coating.
Yeah, quantum hard coating is exclusive to National Cycle. You know, we do have the process that we do in-house. We actually form the polycarbonate, and then they are dipped in the quantum hard coating chemical and then baked to finish.
So question, you said it comes in three different sizes. Which size is closest to the stock size, and then how big or smaller are the other two shields?
Yeah, essentially we're starting right about the same height as the stock windshield, and then we're going up in increments approximately 2 inches for the mid and then 2 inches for the tall. A lot of the input that we received from customers was that they wanted us to keep it a little bit narrower to not distort the streamline of the new fairing design, and I feel that we've accomplished it based on the feedback that we've received.
There you go. If you're looking for two key elements to enhance your touring capabilities and comfort while on your new Goldwing, we've got the new comfort bars and the V-Stream windshield for the 2018 and newer Goldwing model motorcycles. I'm Kyle. This is Paul. Until next time, take care and ride safe.